Yo, yo, can you hear me? Holla if you hear me. Ha, 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 ha. What's up, Bowman? Peace. Yeah, what's up, Ed Black? What's up, Felipe Tublaw? Yo, what's going on, PE1? Come on in here. I'm waiting for some more people to come on in here. Yeah, we got a testimony, man. I'm gonna break these books down first, and then we gonna go at it. Yo, I'm kind of under the weather, but the show must go on. Yeah, the show must go on. God damn it! How y'all doing? How y'all doing today? You know they trying to get us sick, especially down here in Austin. 1 minute is hot, then the day next minute is uh yep, these outstanding victory against bitches that think they smart. Yo, what's up, man? What's up, Brent? Rights of single parents, nigga. I'm gonna chop it up, and I'm gonna show you the paperwork, what happened. Y'all gonna like this shit. That's why I wish y'all would have came to me at the beginning of y'all shit. You know what I mean? I wish y'all would have came to me at the very beginning of your shit, but hey, you know. Let me go and get started because I ain't gonna be on here too long because I feel like shit. But anyway, yo, what's up? What's up, Crave? Rights of single parent. Hey man, this sham stoppers. We run this child support shit. We ain't giving it back. God damn it. Y'all know we ain't anti-government, whatever. It's gonna be Year of the Man 2.0. This a fucking republic, nigga. This ain't a democracy, nigga. All right. Now I'm gonna put up another book. I'm gonna put you what it said on this book. Let me stop sharing this one. All right, let me go to let me present this other one. All right, let me present this one. Share screen, window, down. Here we go. Let me zoom in. Father's rights. The father's parental rights. In general, a father's parental rights are based on marriage to the mother or the establishment of paternity. Placing the father's name on the birth certificate does not in or itself establish paternity. How many of y'all went through this shit where they said, we're just going to put your name on the birth certificate? Fellas, that don't establish paternity. This is at the law library, this book. This is at the law library. Biological fathers who have been demonstrated a commitment to the responsibilities of parenthood do have an interest in their child, however, does not guarantee parental rights. If a man's parental rights are established, he has the same rights to the child as the mother. Now, check this out. This is how stupid they are, right? Let me show you how stupid they are. They'll tell you don't come to this court for paternity, but when you go, for parental rights, but when you go to child support, you say, hey, I ain't been seeing my child, right? They say, well, that's a separate thing. But when you go for custody court, they want to know your money, how much you make, and then they want to establish child support with the visitation. Fellas, y'all got to wake up and stop with the bullshit. This is a man's world. What you say goes. You know what I mean? If they ain't trying to hear what you say goes, fuck them. Tell them, hey, I ain't doing shit. I'm the man here. Okay? I'm going to keep going. I'm going to break it down a little bit more. But anyway, if the mother, hold on, let me see, can I move it? If the mother and the father are married when the child is born, the father's parental rights are clearly established, right? So guess what, fellas? For all you niggas that's married, that's in here or come to this channel, can't no court do custody rights. You ain't supposed to do no custody rights. None of that. It's automatically 50-50. Ain't no talking. Ain't no how many times I'm going to see them a week, a month. But they know these dudes are stupid and they'll go sign up for this shit. Everything that the court present to you is a contract. It's contractual, right? Everything is contractual we do. That's why they ask you to sign shit. Okay? If the mother then seeks to relinquish her rights to the child, the father does not lose his parental rights and can contest any attempt the mother makes to have the child adopted. We know that as long as the father is able to care for the child, he will maintain his parental rights. That sounds like a oxymoron, right? Because you wouldn't be going to child support if the bitch had money to take care of the motherfuckers, right? The bitch ain't got money to take care of the motherfucking child, so it should be the children should go to the father by default. Correct? Correct. As discussed in chapter 1 of this almanac, if the mother and father are not married, the father can acknowledge paternity by filing an acknowledgement of paternity to preserve his rights. Yeah, but does it say that when you sign that motherfucker, now when you sign that motherfucker, they include that you gonna support the child till you're 18 and you agree to pay a child support, right? Once the father acknowledges paternity, he will have the same rights and responsibilities towards the child as the mother, such as providing support. And in addition, the mother will not have to do anything further to establish paternity. If the father has not filed a paternity petition, and the mother has begun adoption proceedings, the father must either appear in court where he receives notice of the hearing or file a written objection to the termination of his rights before the hearing takes place. So check this out, fellas. A lot of niggas don't object to anything that they go into court, right? Right? All right, let me go. Let me stop sharing this one. Let me go to the meat. Y'all ready? Let me present it. Let's go. Let me make it a little bit bigger for you. Okay. City of St. Louis Circuit, North Tucker Boulevard, November 20, 2024. It says there has been no service on a respondent in this case. No verified internal appearance or answer has been filed, and there is no summons issued to be served upon the respondent. A summons must be served within 30 days of the issuance. The court cannot proceed further at this time. Therefore, the above matter will be dismissed without further notice after 14 days unless a verified. You want me to zoom in some more? All right, hold on. Can you see it now? Can y'all see it? The court cannot proceed further at this time. Therefore, the above matter will be dismissed without further notice after 14 days unless the verified entry of appearance or answer signed by the respondent is filed. See, he ain't signed nothing. An entry of appearance by an attorney representing the respondent is filed. A summons to be issued to be served on the respondent. Requested a summons is issued. Summons is what the fuck? Okay. Summons is to issue be held by the sheriff is insufficient. The staff of the family court cannot provide you with legal advice. It is your responsibility to proceed according to Missouri law. Your case is a complex legal proceeding which can substantially affect your personal and financial future. You are urged to consult an attorney. This was the story I told y'all the other day. Okay. My man in a whole nother state. Okay. He in a whole nother state. He in Maryland. And the bitch live in Missouri. And she didn't even come to court. So Maryland tried to pick it up. But he went to court 4 times. I caught him on the second time. And I told him, man, say this simple thing, bro. He asked her, why ain't the bitch coming to court? And they got quiet. That fella, check this out. Hold on a second. Check this out, fella. Go read the child support. What's up, Mr. Blue? Go read the child support application where it says it don't represent the bitch. They say they don't represent her. Right? They don't represent her. And they can't represent her. So if her name is on the same side as the plaintiff, fellas, their case supposed to be dismissed. It's really dismissed. You can get up for fraud on that. Because the application said they don't represent nobody. And they try to change the language on the application. They say they gonna what they say they gonna do? Speak on her behalf. They can't do nothing on her behalf. They represent the state. So guess what? The state's supposed to come after you separate. Because when niggas get caught up in criminal cases, right? It says the state versus you. It don't say your neighbor, your sister, your mama, your girlfriend, and the state. It says the state versus you. So child support is supposed to be going up against you, not child support and the bitch versus you. Go look at this. Go look at the application. This nigga went up here and beat this shit with common sense. And I've been telling y'all that for so fucking long. But niggas still gonna get scared. You know what I mean? And another thing about child support paperwork. Child support paperwork against you don't have no case laws whatsoever. Child support is legislative. Okay? It's legislation. Bitches had to go down there and suck dick and beg to go get this shit into the executive so they can get on your nerves and talking about they want to enforce shit. They don't have power, fellas. That's why they ask you to sign shit. They sent this man 2 subpoenas. I'm gonna do a part 2. I ain't feeling well, but I'm gonna do a part 2 of the other paperwork that they sent. The judge recommends the hearing officer recommendation. Ain't no judges in child support, fellas. They all hearing officers. They not judges. Okay. Let me pull up an application. Let me show y'all something. Let me pull up an application so y'all know what I'm talking about. Let me pull up an application. That way y'all know what I'm talking about. Maryland child support application. PDF. PDF. Hold on a second. I'm gonna pull it up for y'all. And me and B went. All right, hold on. Let me stop sharing that. Let me go to another one. Hold on. Hold on. I don't think it's gonna let me do it. Hold on. Let me see. Is it up there, fellas? Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let me wind it out some. Hold on. I know y'all can't see that. Wait a minute. Hold on, fellas. Damn, that shit blurry in the motherfucker. Let me try to download this shit. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna download it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna download this shit and I'm gonna pull it up that way. All right, I'm gonna pull it up that way. Hold on a second. Them niggas ain't gonna let me pull it up. Them fags ain't gonna let me pull it up. Let me see, can I open another tab? Hold on. Hold on, fellas, just a second. We gonna read this Maryland child support PDF form application. Let me see what it is. Can y'all see it? Is it still blurry? Let me know if it's still blurry. Okay, good. Good. It's not blurry. Good. All right. Now check this out. Legal representation. Parent from whom you want support from. Right? They asking all your business. Here we go, right here. Y'all ready? An attorney working in the child support program represents the child support administration of the state of Maryland. The attorney does not represent you or your personal interest, and there is no attorney-client relationship between you and attorney, between you and the child support office, or any employees thereof, case workers. Any information you provide may not be treated as confidential. But when you want to learn something, they talk about it's private information. Except provided by law, you will be required to appear as a witness in court. Your failure to appear for your court pursuant to an order or subpoena can result in your arrest. You see how it's got that in there? It says your failure. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in a little bit. You see that? Your failure to appear for court pursuant to an order or a subpoena could result in your arrest. A subpoena, nigga. She's supposed to be subpoenaed, not you. But they use subpoenas on dumb niggas who don't know no better. Let me zoom in some more. Hold on. Somebody said it's blurry. Hold on a second. Can you see it now, Bowman? Can you see it now? You see what I mean? Fellas, all the your baby mama child support cases is done for. This is fraud, fellas. They cannot represent her and speak on her behalf. I'm sorry. It says it right there. All of them say it. This is her case. This ain't your case. But they fool you and tell you, and then you be around soft ass niggas. Man, go on get them niggas on child support money. Go on get them people their money. Go on get them people that money. You love your child. Go on take care of your child. Hold on a second. Peace. What's up, Kevin B? You just made it. A lot of people don't be getting these notifications. Hold on a second. Let me call my man. Hold on. Hold on a second, fella. What's going on, man? I'm live right now.
Okay, what's good?
No, no. I went over they paperwork and I'm reading some stuff for them on here, and it said on the application. I was reading on the application where it says an attorney in the child support program represent the Child Support Administration of Maryland, does not represent you or your personal interest. And then at the last sentence it says your failure to appear to court pursuant to an order subpoena can result in your arrest. Guess what? They wasn't talking
What's that,
about
bro?
you. They weren't supposed to subpoena you. They were supposed to subpoena her. This is her shit,
Yeah,
right?
but you said they couldn't subpoena me to witness for myself.
Exactly.
What am I? I'm not a witness, but I'm witnessing on myself.
Right.
Well, that shit was classy, boy. Been
Hey,
thinking about that shit for a minute now.
now,
Huh?
tell them what you told the hearing officer. You asked him a simple question. And how many times you been to court?
That was my fourth time. I said, where's Miss Roach? And he said, what do you mean? I said, where's Miss Roach? I said, she hasn't been here. The only person that's been here is Miss McGee and you. And it seems to me that she's representing her. He said she's not representing her. I said, well, who the hell is it? I was like, ain't nobody else in this courtroom. You know, but you and her and these other people. And they ain't just saying nothing. She the only one that's saying something.
Man.
And then he said, I need to take a recess. That was it, bro.
Y'all hear that? So he had to go take a recess because he didn't know how to counteract what he's told when he asked them in court. Simple shit. He ain't going there and say no legalness and under section 9 and this and that. Hold on a second. Don't hang up. Hold on. Yeah, bro. We live right now doing the testimony. I know I'm shadow banned, but go on, get on there.
Okay, for sure. Yeah, I'm over here broke down, man.
Damn.
Yeah, that's why I couldn't answer the phone, man. I was trying to get breakdown over here where I'm at, man. The driver, I got someone in the trailer, man. He didn't take care of it, man. I knew it was gonna happen, bro.
Yeah.
I'm on like dropping hooking, man. But I'm gonna hop on in there.
All right.
I got the all right.
Yeah. That was Brother Carlos. But yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what we were saying now?
You were saying that I had to do no legal.
Oh yeah,
no legal stuff.
you ain't going there and have to do no legal bullshit. No, section 409 the penal code or Freestone versus Blessing and all that old silly ass shit. Nah, nigga, we gonna go to the basics, nigga. We gonna go to we elementary over here, fellas. This is simple elementary. You know what I mean? What it say on that application versus what they tell you, if that shit don't match up, it's fraud in the game. Okay? That's fraud. It say they don't have a client relationship, attorney relationship. Okay, then why you speaking on the bitch behalf then? That's what lawyers do. When you contract a lawyer, you telling him you want him to speak on your behalf because you can't handle your own goddamn affairs. That's why I tell knuckleheads, stop getting lawyers. They not here for you. You can defend and beat this shit yourself. It's fundamentals. You know what I mean? But people want to be difficult. People want to do this. You act like you're going to goddamn death row. You act like you going to a business meeting. You going to a begging hoes business meeting. That's what you going to. Because the bitch can't take care of the father. I mean, if not the father, child. And they want to act like they want to punk you with these people. It's a service and it's a program. They can't force you to be in a service or program. Fellas, you can opt out this bullshit at any fucking time whenever you get ready. Ain't no law that says you can't. If it is, show me. And I'll get the fuck off YouTube and I'll refund everybody their goddamn money.
God damn.
Yeah.
Hey, boy, you did your thing on that one though, bro. That you right, dog. Them attorneys, they friends of the court, man. How they friends of the court and then represent you?
Correct, because that's their
Don't
homeboy.
make sense.
That's their homeboy up there, and they'll go when they go on their recess, they go huddle up. It's a game, right? So they gonna huddle up. Let's huddle up. Hey, when I move my ear like that, shit, we got him, and he getting nervous, and he got some money, and then they take the bailiff, the dog, the pit bull, aka the bailiff, back there with his dumb ass. You know what I mean? He want to play dumb and stupid, but he want to pay child support too at the same time, thinking he a part of something, but he just a fucking pawn the whole time with his ignorant ass. You know what I mean? Any sheriff or anybody that you see in these hearings are a pawn. They ignorant, stupid, dumb, and retarded. They don't know no better. They ain't nothing but a little dog. They throw a little ball. If they throw something at that nigga, they say, go get that shit. He'll go pick it up like a dummy. Right? So, yeah. Anyway, fellas, we finna cut this off short because I feel like shit. And yeah, man, anything else you need to say?
Nah, bro, I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. We gonna keep going, and we're gonna have more victories. You know what I mean? We're gonna get their ass for this fraud though. Real talk. We ain't finna
Yes,
let up. We finna put our nuts in their face.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. And you know what they're called when we put a nuts on their face? A dick in their mouth. Well, peace out, fellas. Peace. When we enjoyed y'all, peace out.
All right, bro.
All right.